Pupunta kami ng Pilipinas. So yung kami, Philippine Airlines.
Yeah, first stop, Jollibee. Let's go! Kain na! Yan yung maleta namin. Check out na, ang bilis ng oras. Parang kaka-check-in lang, uwi na agad. Tapos na ang bakasyon sa Shanghai. Emma, we're going to Canada.
No.
We're gonna interview a random person here in the hotel. Hello, what's your name?
Hello, I'm Nana.
And what are you doing here?
I'm waiting
Waiting for who?
to go out.
Do you want to go out where?
So we're going to the airport
Airport where?
to Canada.
Canada where?
In Canada.
Okay, bye. Another random person, what's your name?
Bria.
Do you want one slap in the face or double it and pass it to the next person?
Give it to the next person.
Do you want two slaps in the face or double it and pass it to the next person?
Double it.
Random kid, do you want 4 slaps in the face or double it and pass it to the next person?
4 slaps in the face.
Want 4 slaps in the face?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Sorry guys, she's crazy. Dami naming bagahe. Problema yata sila paano ikarga. Kumuha kami ng coaster para pumuntang airport. Yung drive mga 50 to 1 hour. Katawanan ako ni Kate. Tawanan, palagi ako tinatawanan. Kakarga sila. VIP section. Okay, yes. Uwi na. Going home. Dito na tayo sa airport. Laki ng airport nila. 2 terminal meron, isa doon. Kasi isa pa dito yata airport. Airport din. Ano terminal 1 nakalagay? Terminal 2 kami. We're here. Terminal 2.
Yes, tama. Mga international flights daw.
Okay. Joe, Emma, look here. Dito na tayo sa loob ng airport. Yan. Pupunta kami ng Pilipinas. So yung kami, Philippine Airlines. Sila, yung mga iba, babalik na ng Vancouver, Air Canada. I have something to tell you. We're not going back to Canada.
Yeah, we're going to.
This is a surprise.
No, Daddy, we already know.
What?
Mama told me.
No, you don't know it. It's a surprise. Ako surprise.
Really?
Yes, for real. Yay! And tapos na kami mag-security check. Dito kami sa Ipodo. Si Emma gusto ng ramen. Pero sa tabi niya may Shake Shack. Pero dito na lang kami kakain. Meron pa rin kaming yung RMB na cash. So yun na lang yung pangbabayad. Kaso kulang. Yung kulang. Alipay na lang. No?
Para mas use up yung cash.
Okay. Sila Guapi, wala pa. Kasi
Punta
kami.
na rin yun.
Papunta na. Kasi may kasama kaming bata. Yung bata. Yung tiyanak. VIP section. VIP line. Yan na.
egg. Can you put the egg in too?
Masaya na si Emma. Ang kanyang pagkain. Ito na yung order na ako. Pork chop na yung para mapo tofu.
You like the
and
chicken?
Udon. Yan, rice. Yan. Okay, let's eat.
Loko, Joey. Uy, di, daddy.
Iwan na. Hihiwalay na. Sa ibang boarding gate kami.
Bye, guys.
Bye!
Enjoy Philippines. Bumikidwas. Bye, Escaribay.
Okay, sorry.
Sino first? Ready? Go!
Last running video. Okay. Sumakay kami ng train. Papunta dito sa kabilang building. Malapit na kami mag-boarding. 10 minutes. Sakay na tayo dito. Gate 149. Dito na tayo sa NAIA Terminal 1. We're back in the Philippines, guys. Time check, it's 8:40. Nasa Philippines tayo, naiintindihan na tayo magsalita. Sa Canada, walang makaintindihan pa ng Tagalog. Dito na tayo. Let's go, Tarla. Dito na kami sa natin namin yung kapatid ko pagsundo sa yata, sa kanya.
It's okay.
Bago daw eh.
Here. Uncle Jiro's here.
Yeah. First stop,
Just go.
Jollibee. Ayun, let's go. Kain na. Let's eat. Oy, kain na. Dito na tayo. Bye sa wakas. Welcome home.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Yeah.
Where is subdivision?
We're back.